A good email helps create a fulfilling support experience for your customers. Writing a good support email depends a lot on getting some of the basic email etiquette right. Etiquette that you can easily maintain using a checklist. Let's look at the 6 main checks you should do before you hit send on any email. Number 1. Have you addressed the customer by their name? It's a good practice to call your customers by their name. If you do not know the name, a simple hi there will do. But do start every reply with a semi-formal greeting, no matter how burning the issue is. It shows your customers that you are calm enough to handle their problems. Number 2. Have you thanked the customer? Even if the customer wrote in with a complaint, they have taken an interest in your company, and that should be met with gratitude. You could thank them for using your product. You could thank them for bringing the issue to your notice. You could even thank them for giving you a great feature idea. A simple thanks will make them feel valued, but say it only if you mean it. Number 3. Have you answered all the questions the customer asked? Always value your customers' time and give them clear answers to all their queries in one go. If you've clarified some of their doubts and need more time to answer the others, go ahead and say it. Or else the customer would feel like you did not read their full email. Number 4. Have you addressed the underlying emotion of the email? Sometimes what might seem like a simple problem to you would make customers angry and frustrated because it is actively preventing them from getting what they want. So if they sound anxious or sad or frustrated or angry, go ahead and address it directly. Reassure them that you're doing everything you can so they don't feel that way. If there is nothing you can do to help, you can still address it and tell them that you are sorry they feel that way. A simple acknowledgement will show them that you care. Number 5. Have you tried out the solution before suggesting it? Before you ask your customer to refresh the screen or try from a different browser, try the solution yourself. Maybe the solution the expert suggested stopped working. You don't want to find that out from your customers. Number 6. Have you checked for grammar, broken links, correct code, and attachments? It's hard to look like an expert problem solver when you overlook the little things. Use tools like Microsoft Word or Grammarly to check for spelling and grammatical errors. Similarly, if you are sending a link or a code, make sure they are working. And always check to see if you have attached the document that you promised to attach. There you have it, the 6 checks. You can implement them right away and see the world of difference it makes to your conversations. In the next video, we'll talk about how you can convert your good emails into exceptional emails. Hello, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel. You can also download free resources and worksheets related to this video by enrolling in the Freshworks Academy. You'll find the link in the description below. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, happy supporting!